What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how I make these delicious peanut butter and jelly banana muffins. In my pot I have some strawberries. I'm adding honey and a drop of water. Bring that to a simmer, and you're going to let it keep cooking until it cooks all the way down, and then it starts to look like this. And the reason why I'm making it first is because I want it to cool all the way down before we put it on top of the muffins. So once it's done, this is what it's going to look like. You're not messing it up. You need to cook it all the way down. So these are my bananas. They look half dead, and that's what you want, because the riper they are, the more flavor your banana muffins or your banana bread will have. Now let's work on the peanut butter part of this recipe. You're going to melt down this peanut butter in the microwave just like 30 seconds, and it'll melt right down. These are the dry ingredients as well as my banana. So I have flour, baking powder, baking soda, eggs, vanilla, nutmeg, and cinnamon. You want to start beating down your bananas. I'm doing it manually because I don't have a hand mixer. And y'all, I'm not trying to take out my KitchenAid just to make some banana, muffins. It's no point in that. So I'm going old school. Next, I'm going to add my sugar. If you noticed earlier in the strawberry jam, I did not put a lot of sweetener in there because the banana bread is already sweet enough. So you don't need to kill the jam with sugar. Add your eggs, mix that in. And by the way, this was so delicious, you guys. It was spongy. It was delicious. You literally taste peanut. It was like eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Obviously, but when you really think about it, you're like, what? But it really did taste really, really good. So you want to add your dry ingredients and mix it up, get it nice and incorporated just like this. Next, I'm going to add my melted peanut butter down in here. You don't need a lot, so don't kill it. But remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so don't worry. I added my melted butter, my cinnamon, my nutmeg, and my vanilla, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to mix this up, and then I'm going to start putting them in my muffin tins. So I'm using muffin tins. However, you don't have to use muffin tins, you guys. If you want to make it a whole banana bread, you can make it a whole one. You don't have to use this, but it was cute. I figured it'll be prettier since we're doing the twist with the jelly, and it'll just look cute on muffins. But you could put this in your muffin pan or whatever pan you have available to you. This is the jam after it cooled all the way down. And what you want to do here is you just want to like smear it. Just smear it on top of the muffins, and push it down a little bit, but you really just want to smear it because you want that look and the flavor on top, just like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And this is why I didn't mix it in, because I didn't want that. But look how gorgeous and beautiful these muffins are, you guys. They were so delicious and just seasoned so good. Yes, seasoned. Cinnamon and nutmeg is seasoning. Look how spongy this cake was. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on my next one. If you have any suggestions, leave them below. I can't wait to get into these Christmas recipes with you guys. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.